Are you looking at GAF, Malarkey, or Owens Corning shingles, but you aren't sure which one actually offers the best warranty? Are you worried that the lifetime promise might not mean what you think? In this video, we're comparing the 3 warranties from the top 3 shingle manufacturers, Owens Corning, Malarkey, and GAF, so you can make an informed decision on which warranty best fits your needs. You'll learn the fine print that most companies skip over, how these warranties actually stack up, and which warranty offers you the best value for your money. Hi, I'm Chris Britt with Hoel Roofing Remodeling. Something that homeowners commonly misunderstand that we work with is that you actually need to get 2 warranties. So you need a manufacturer warranty. That warranty is going to cover anything like shingle defects, but you also need a labor warranty from the contractor side that's going to cover any issues that you have, maybe like with an installation error that would cause a leak or something along those lines. So before we get into the nitty-gritty about these warranties, I want to bring up some of the terms that are commonly thrown around so that we can better understand these. First, let's talk about proration. So what the prorated period is, so you'll frequently see 10-year proration period. So that means that shingle's 100% covered against manufacturer defects for a 10-year period. And then once it hits that 10-year period, it'll drop a certain percentage. Another term that you'll commonly be seeing with these warranties is some kind of mile per hour resistance. So what that's going to be against is the wind that's coming towards your home. It'll cover you for that. And what you standardly see is anywhere from 110 to 130. Something else you'll commonly see associated with warranty with a quality shingle is an impact resistance. So that'll either be class 3 or class 4. Class 3 is going to be an 1 3/4 steel ball dropped from 20 feet, and it means that it can withstand that over the course of time. Class 4 is going to be a 2-inch steel ball dropped from 20 feet. What we mean by withstand is that it can happen time and time again, and that the matting under the shingle actually will not crack. What this testing actually shows is that the shingle at hand can withstand multiple hail impacts without damaging the integrity of the shingle. So when comparing the warranties between the Owens Corning Duration, the GAF Timberline HDZ, and then the Malarkey Vista, a lot of these numbers are going to be the same. So what's consistent amongst these is that all 3 of these have 130 mile per hour wind resistance warranty on them. They are all going to be class rated for impact. However, the Owens Corning is going to be a class 3, the GAF is going to be a class 3, and then the Malarkey Vista, that's actually going to bump up to a class 4. Now with algae resistance, Owens Corning is going to win algae resistance. It has the 25-year algae street guard warranty on it, while the Malarkey has a 15-year algae warranty, and then the GAF drops down to a 10. So here at Hoel Roofing Remodeling, we actually don't typically install GAF, so we haven't filed a warranty claim with them. However, we do install a ton of Owens Corning and Malarkey. With Malarkey, we've never actually had to file a warranty claim. On the OC side, we filed a couple, and Owens Corning is taking care of them very quickly. So how can a contractor's installation affect your warranty coverage? So if the contractor is not installing things correctly, like if they're not putting the proper amount of nails in each shingle, or they're over nailing them, or nailing them below the nailing line or above the nailing line, that can all affect your warranty and actually completely void your warranty. So you want to make sure that you're dealing with certified contractors that are going to install the roof properly. So if I had to choose one of these shingles based off warranty alone, I would opt to go with the Owens Corning Duration, and the reason for that being is due to the 25-year algae resistance. While the Malarkey does have a higher impact resistance on it, you actually get the same discount on your homeowner's insurance premium from a class 3 as a class 4. So I'd have to say that the Owens Corning Duration warranty reigns supreme. A roof is only as good as the warranty behind it, and not all warranties are created equal. Now you know how GAF, Owens Corning, and Malarkey compare, what their warranties cover and what they don't. If you want an honest take on which brand and warranty is best for your home, or you're just looking to get a quote from a contractor who installs all 3 of these products, feel free to give Hoel Roofing and Remodeling a call at 765-561-4023.